What's up, everybody? Gameplay Loyal Player here, back in another episode of M&M's. Yes, you heard M&M's. As you can see in my screen behind me, yes, there's a huge war tank, and I joined the army. Yes, I'm playing. I joined the biggest army ever. Oh my god, I just broke the block. Oh my god, I'll go back to first person. I also need to take the thing off. So annoying. Okay. Wait, let me put this back. I feel kind of bad doing this. Breaking in, leaving it there. Oh my god, I didn't even saw that. Wow, somebody was having fun. Look at this. This thing is so huge. I don't think I'm gonna finish it today. Look how detailed this thing is. So amazing. So tall. Oh my god, this thing. Is this like a gun or something? Oh my goodness. What are these people making? What do they do with their lives? People, person doesn't matter. I think person's because I know what he was gonna do is balloon. Look, I didn't even look at it yet. It's my first time looking at it. I didn't want to look at it before I made the video, so I don't know a lot about this. I bet this is the thing that shoot. Can you go in? Oh my god, you can. What is in there? Stop shooting. Oh my god. Oh, this reminds me of from the movie what text? Nothing there. From the movie what do you call it? I remember the name of the movie. Was the hero one Marble, I think. I'm not 100% sure. So, but look how amazing is this. I think I'm gonna finish it in one video. Look at this. Oh, I thought you could go in. I was gonna be like so happy. This thing looks like, wow, I thought it was glass for real. Let's go up and break the roof with a front. With a furnace. Wait. Sorry for destroying this map. This is hilarious. And this you can just download it from an app on Android device. I didn't even know about I don't even know about the I don't know about Apple. I don't even know about Android. This thing is humongous. I'm thinking of something to do. I'm thinking of another series we can do in Minecraft. Why we don't do the invasions? Like we pick a random adventure maps. We can get adventure maps and do an adventure. We can use this as an. I'm gonna try to download it to my normal world. See how amazing it could have been. Thing is so big, I swear. What is this? What is the thing wings things? That's my I was like, what? Just look at it from the front. See, I'm gonna help you, cause just look at it from the front. This thing is amazing. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, I swear this thing is so beautiful. And I'm saying like this is not no I don't think there's nothing more better than this. But I think there's some places that are like how can I say worse to spot like this thing. Oh, I think it's a windmill. Not windmill, I mean the wind thing that makes it fly. But there should be like a window right here so you can see. That's what I'm saying, like. When was that? Oh my god, is this like a laser cannon on top? Yep. I think I already saw it. I don't even know if it. Oh my god, look, it has like a thing inside. Oh my god, you know we have to go in there. Oops, I just broke something. It's just random stuff in it. Is this one like that too? No, those are blank. Ay, who's on that? Oh, I don't like. So yeah, this is our next show today. This is amazing. I don't think there's a map this awesome by far. I know there's already one that has a ship full of a ship full of airplanes and stuff in it, but nothing this beautiful. So I think I'm gonna leave it right here. So thank you guys for watching. Please share the video, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be so thankful. This is Gameplayer Loyal Player, and we're out.